If I told you the video you just watched was AI generated, let's say without the old watermark, would you have been able to know? Or you would have thought this is like a blockbuster movie with the whole scene, motion, and sound, like it's so perfect? I think you would have said this. Now, the thing is that AI generated videos are going so crazy and doing so well. Like they are now being integrated into post production of movies, and you can use them for a lot of complex use cases. Just last week, I reviewed, the creators AI model that can help you create internet persona, and I told you how you could monetize that concept. But in this video, I want to review Kling 3.0, which is the advanced version of a model I reviewed about a few months ago, which is Kling 2.6. I'm just going to show you the interface briefly, then I'm going to show you some of the amazing things that this model can create. So this is the homepage of Higgsfield AI, and again, it's a very awesome website that has a lot of different tools that you can use. These tools are not free. This is the only downside with working with this, but at the same time, they are relatively cheaper than the competition you see. So if you really want to like work with an AI tool, then you should check out Kling. This is like a very awesome tool to use. Now, also, currently the Kling 3.0 has a 70% discount, so you can try it out if you want to start creating content with this. So if I go ahead and click on this, I can access it through here, and I just click on the Kling 3.0. So I will show you the interface briefly before I show you some awesome things that this model is capable of doing. You can see right now, like when I reviewed, Kling 2.6, there were no multiple shots. Now we can create multiple shots, helping to create more consistent, output. So like this place now, you can see different shots I have tried in the past. So I can create shot one, and I give it like kind of scene. I can give it a camera angle, create shot two, and just create different shots, and it's going to generate this. I can also create a start frame and an end frame, and this is very good when you're creating time lapse kind of video where you want it to end in a particular way. Also for creating ad campaigns, and even those, so you see those beautiful renovation videos you see online. This can easily help you create it where you put the rough beginning and the very glorious finish. And this model is just going to generate everything for you, including sound. Kling is very good with generating sound. So this is basically the interface for generating videos with Kling. And there's even a like improved resolution where you can choose a higher quality. It's just worth noting, the more you use these elements, these tools, multi-shot, the more it's going to charge you. And right now, if I just generate this, is going to charge me for 23 points, which I don't want to generate. But I'm just going to show you some awesome things that this model is capable of doing. Now you've seen the brief interface. What really makes Kling 3.0 stand out from Kling 2.6? And if you've not seen my video on Kling 2.6, you can check through my channel. I've done a comprehensive video where I generated some video with awesome background sound with the model. And some of the unique things that I really like is the unified multimodal workflow. So basically allowing you to upload a start frame and an end frame keeps everything consistent. And also the fact that you can produce audio, you can produce multiple shots, you can produce background sound. Xfield make it very easy for you, creating a more consistent and easy to use workflow. Like I also mentioned, like in the first point, I said multiple shot generation. I think this is really crazy. The fact that you can, change the camera angles and make it feel like a blockbuster movie. I think it's a very awesome feature in this new Kling version. So I think it will be getting a lot of use cases in very much recent times. A lot of people are going to be using Kling 3.0 in no distance time, since this is a very new software. And since Xfield is a company I've talked about in the past, I just thought it's worth, reviewing this tool since it's just fresh. Now, another very awesome thing is the Omni native audio. Now, if you are going to pay for Xfield and you're paying for this particular model, I think one thing you will really enjoy, I've mentioned also in the past, is the fact that it can generate audio. But now it even gets better. The lip sync is so natural. You can't even spot that this is an AI generated lip sync. It feels so human-like, and everything just flows together. Also, the elements are so consistent, like you don't see the lip, morphing into something or fingers just moving randomly. And elements in the shots remain consistent. So if you ask me, if you're going to invest in this, should you really use this for? Now, Kling 3.0, I think it's mainly for you are trying to create, action heavy scenes like fight scene, car explosion, smoke, this kind of very complex scenes that will give other models issues to generate. Kling 3.0 is very perfect for this. Also, close ups, emotional driven scenes. I won't say it's for everybody, but if you're going to create, blockbuster kind of scene, action, fast car driving, macro shots, these kind of complex scenes that you need the AI to be able to track movements and keep everything intact, then I think Kling 3.0 is like a no-brainer for you. And again, these macro shots and different dimensions and different scenes that you can take for a consistent, kind of video is very helpful if you're going to use it for running ads. You can just use Kling 3.0 and it's going to even produce text. Like there are just too many things that this model is currently capable of doing. So here's the takeaway. Kling 3.0 is an awesome video generation model and it's capable of a lot of things that you never thought were possible to be done with AI. And if you feel like this is something you need to produce some particular kind of content, then go ahead and check it out. It's relatively cheaper than other tools you can get in the market currently, and they are currently running a 70% discount. So that is it. Thanks guys for watching and see you in another video.